Director for the University Art Collections, and I am pleased to welcome you to Hampden Art Study Center. This 4,000 square foot facility houses the majority of the University of Denver's art collections. Located in Lakewood, an easy 25-minute drive from campus, this is the university's first fully accessible art storage facility, which can be utilized by students, faculty, and staff who wish to engage in object-based learning, research about our holdings, or training in museum best practices. HASC features climate-controlled art storage, conservation and project space, a print and drawing study, a photo studio, and a seminar room for class sessions and meetings. We want to make the collection work for you, so nearly any piece in our collection is available for viewing or research.
Hi, I'm Kristen. I am a current grad student at the University of Denver in the Art and Art History Department. I am also a collections assistant here at Hampden Art Study Center. This facility exists for the faculty and students here at DU, and with that in mind, you can schedule a tour and check out works by Andy Warhol, Albert Bierstadt, even one-of-a-kind skateboard collection. Along with the tour, you can also schedule time to do some research, either on a time period, a specific artist, or even a specific piece of art. There's a lot of great opportunities for research here at the center.
One of the best things about HASC is that our staff is comprised of current and recent grads in DU's MA in Art History program. Students truly drive the projects and have a chance to receive top-notch collections management training, which has contributed to our success in getting students placed in degree-related positions upon graduation.
Hi, my name is Hannah, and I am in the Master's Art History program at the University of Denver. I'm also a graduate student assistant at the Hampden Art Study Center, and my biggest project so far has been to photograph the entire collection, and it corresponds to a series of art topic guides that we've created for the entire DU community. The purpose of the guides is to foster potential art object research, so our plan is to sort of release our images and our guides at the same times to assist teachers and students in browsing our collection and then hopefully using it for object-based research.
Hi, my name is Natalie. I am a grad student in the Library and Information Science Department at DU. I am currently a collections assistant at the Hampden Art Study Center. I've worked on several projects. Currently, I'm working on an inventory of all framed pieces in our collection and assessing their condition. The inventory entails checking locations of every piece to make sure they're in their rightful place, and conditioning every piece to make sure they're in good shape to be shown in exhibits and be researched by students and faculty visiting us, all in the hopes of getting them processed in a timely manner to make them available for the public.
We can't wait to welcome you to Hampden Art Study Center. To schedule your on-site visit today, contact Collections Manager Nessa Kerr at nessa.kerr@du.edu. You can also browse our collections online by visiting du.edu/vmgallery and selecting University Art Collections. We look forward to seeing you.